Hi, everyone. I am Francesca Rizzo. I am an associate event manager at Liberty Mutual Insurance, and I am based in Boston, Massachusetts.
Hello, my name is Corey Steinfast. I am the Vice President of Sales at Broadway Plus, based in New York City. And Francesca and I are the leaders of the Rising Leaders cohort, I guess I like to say, right?
Yeah,
Yeah?
awesome. And we are so excited to welcome you all to FICP's brand new Rising Professionals community. This is a space that's dedicated just for us, the Rising Professionals, to help us collaborate, learn, and connect with one another.
Please make sure to check out all of the different features on our new community. There is a lot to offer between the resource library, the discussion board. There is so much here, and the Rising Professionals community is here to help us excel in all of our careers.
Yeah, awesome. And we look forward to seeing you all in the community soon.
Yes, bye, be our friend. We're here to be a resource for you. Looking forward to all good to come.